At the back of the instrument, you will find several key interfaces. Nitrogen interface, used for nitrogen supply. Compressed air interface, controls the pneumatic cover. Additional compressed air interface, regulates humidity. Dry gas knobs, maintains humidity in standby mode. USB interfaces, 2 USB ports for data transfer. Power interface, communication interface, facilitates system communication. Network interface, enables network connectivity. Upon receiving the instrument, the first step is to install the 2 interfaces on the back. Begin with the nitrogen interface. Attach the steel pipe and its corresponding set of buckles. Remove the blind plug, then fix the steel pipe connection. Take out the matching steel pipe set, insert the nut into the steel pipe, and connect it securely. Next, connect the compressed air pipe. Before connecting the compressed air, remove the 2 regulators provided. The first component is the oil-water separator, and the second is the pressure regulator. Before the compressed air enters the instrument, an oil-water separator must be installed. The compressed air output pipes follow a 1-in, 1-out configuration. Here is the air outlet pipe. The length can be adjusted according to your needs. Connect the T-converters as required. Both connections should be identical. Now, connect the pressure regulator. Take out the chip 4. Connect the pipe to the end of the pressure regulator. The outlet side is marked. Pull up and twist to secure. One outlet of the pressure regulator connects directly to the pneumatic cover interface. The other outlet connects directly to the instrument's intake port. Set the oil-water separator to 0.3 megapascals and the pressure regulator to 0.1 megapascals. Then, connect the instrument's power cord, powering on and checking for air leaks. Turn on the air pressure gauge and ensure the nitrogen output pressure is 0.1 megapascals. Apply soapy water to check for air leaks. Press the instrument's power button to turn it on. Once powered on, the real-time interface will be displayed. The boot sequence will show the system data. There are 9 modules in total. Running a test. Enter the test module. Open the chamber cover. The aluminum film is pre-installed upon shipping. Check if it is intact. Remove the desiccant and the probe protective cover. If the aluminum film is intact, it can still be used. Close the chamber cover. To begin testing, click Run and select the sample type as film. Set the experiment type to baseline. Click Test to begin. During testing, monitor the temperature. Once it reaches 38 degrees Celsius, the process will advance to the next stage. At this stage, the system will enter bypass mode. You can check the gas status. The air exits from the upper chamber in bypass mode. If bubbles appear, the gas supply is functioning correctly. Understanding the test interface. All elements on the testing interface are controlled by the Process Settings section. This section includes time, flow rate, and other parameters. After familiarizing yourself with these settings, return to the test interface. Observe the corresponding flow rate and temperature. If all basic conditions are met, the experiment will continue automatically. Additionally, observe the voltage value to ensure a steady decrease. Once the experiment concludes, a results window will appear. Record the test data before proceeding. Preparing for the next test. After the baseline mode test ends, open the chamber cover. Remove the foil film sample and wipe off any remaining sealant. Apply fresh sealant, ensuring the test chamber remains clean. Do not block the two small holes in the chamber. Add 30 milliliters of purified water to the chamber. Ensure the test side of the sample is facing downward. Return to the running interface. Change the experiment type to Test. Modify the sample name if needed. Other parameters remain unchanged. The sample thickness field is optional and does not affect results. The result area is fixed at 50.24 square centimeters. Click Start Testing to begin. Viewing and exporting test reports. After the experiment, reports are automatically recorded. You can search reports by date. Double-click a report to modify its name. Information can be hidden or expanded as needed. You can zoom in and adjust the curve display. Reports can be exported and saved. Connecting to a computer. Locate the computer communication interface on the instrument. Connect the communication cable. Open the software on the computer. Log into the system. To shut down the instrument. On the instrument screen, go to the system interface. Click the shutdown option in the lower left corner. On the computer interface, enter the debug interface. Click Device Debug. Locate the serial port option and select the correct port. Click on the valve function. If you hear a sound from the instrument, the communication is successful. Return to the test interface, where real-time data will be displayed.